What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Corgi AI, which has pumped up just about 50% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at just above 0.001 cent. So we're going to be looking at what is going on with Corgi AI, why is it pumping so much, especially with the major pump that took place earlier on in November. So let me zoom out a little bit over the last, as you guys can see here, in early November it had a major pump in value, dropped back down, peaked back up, dropped back down, and right now peaking back up. So what my predictions are going into 2024 from this crypto: is it a crypto to be investing into? Should you avoid it, or should you just hold back and potentially invest into it when it crashes back down? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, we're just going to hide this, and we're going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Corgi AI, which is here in purple at 0.0007 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in green at 0.001 cent, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. However, it is looking quite steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic. Again, only reason why it's looking so steep is because, as you guys can clearly see, what a very clean uptrend for Corgi AI, guys. Again, this would be a dream for most of us, for most cryptos, to be going up in this direction, and the way it's been hitting green candles. However, in reality, that doesn't really happen often, and what I'm expecting is for the crypto to take a little bit of a step back over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Corgi AI to have dropped below 0.001 cent in target. However, that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to carry on pumping over the next couple of hours, but once it's past about 5, 6, 7 hours in the early hours of tomorrow, it is likely to start dropping in value below this price range here, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what I'm expecting from Corgi AI over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days again is looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, so it is not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days towards the end of next week, once again expecting Corgi AI to have dropped back down in value below 0.0008 cents, so below the average value here in purple is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by the end of next week. However, that does not mean that it's not going to hit any more green days over the next few days. It is likely to pump up over the weekend and early next week as well, hitting green days. Nothing major. It's not going to be a major pump or a bull run or anything like that. It is going to be minimal. However, as you guys can see, the crypto market is on the red side right now, with Bitcoin dropping down to $41,000. So it is not looking too great. But Corgi AI has managed to pump up. It's like Corgi AI is going the opposite direction to the crypto market, because last few days the crypto market was on the green side and Corgi AI was on the red side, and today that the crypto market is on the red side, Corgi AI is on the green side. But yeah, you get what I mean. So an overall minimal drop in value is what I'm expecting from Corgi AI over the next 7 to 8 days. So minimal drops, which would lead to quite a major drop by the end of next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking a little bit more skeptical. The blue line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, the orange line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One is looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So what does this mean for Corgi AI? So essentially, an overall fluctuation in value is what is meant to take place for the crypto over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late January and early February. However, I am expecting an overall drop in value from Corgi AI by Q1 of 2024. So let's keep it as that. I'm expecting it to have dropped back down below 0.0004 cents. Below this price range here is where I'm expecting Corgi AI to be trading at in Q1 of 2024. Again, it is going to have green days, red days, ups and downs, but at the moment the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. And again, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can on Corgi AI. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, this is very critical for Corgi AI. However, the fact that it has literally broken out from the green zone into the blue zone and into the top tier level right now without any resistance should raise an alarm bell. So whenever a crypto breaks out from the resistance target here without any resistance, most of the time it means it is overvalued, which I'm predicting Corgi AI is overvalued right now, and I'm expecting it to drop back down into the blue zone and back into the green zone here over the next couple of days, so back to where it was trading about 2-3 days ago. And then in Q1 of 2024, I'm expecting it to have dropped all the way back down into the red zone is what my expectations are. However, if there are any major changes to that, I will of course keep you guys updated. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up over 160% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.1 million in trading. Of course, the reason is because it's pumped up quite a bit over the last 24 hours, especially here. I would say over the last 12 hours it has gained an insane amount of value, so a lot more people are looking into the project right now. Is getting a lot of traction from both buyers and sellers point of view, so more and more people are looking to buy and sell the crypto. So let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest figure or lowest figure you guys are predicting Corgi AI to hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.